Alright, this is where the magic happens. I drilled the hole halfway through. That's 9.5 inches on a 6-inch pipe. Will get you halfway. I have drilled a hole in this and that, and I got a wing nut. So I'll put that down inside there. Be careful, pieces can be sharp. I got a wing nut. We're just hoping this doesn't fall off during operation. And there we go. We've got our damper so we can adjust the smoke coming up. Will be stopped by that, so it'll roll out here, heating the oven area, and has a free flow up the stack as well. So we'll get this taken apart and put inside the barrel. Sorry about all that noise. It is a rainy day. Yeah, remember, you may want to wear gloves. Okay, I have it together. I've got the rod going through, and you can see the damper moving there. So now that I have it set, I'll go ahead and bend this to the orientation of the butterfly there. But I'm going to have to make me a overwasher because it took a little bit to figure out just exactly where all the holes wanted to line up. It's all good. Okay, I'm so good I made me a plug cover. I'm calling it a bearing block. But I'll go ahead and get some self-tapping screws and screw that in place, and then I can bend my rod. Oh, did I say wear gloves? Yep, just another nick. But I think I'm going to put a foot right here. And I think I'm going to make it 5.5 inches. Okay, just took a little barn door hinge and bent it for lid. I get it lined up, drilled in, and rivet. Well, there we are. That holds it nice and tight, as you see. It's Stays there. I love it. Well, I've got the fire lit. And we've got the oven hot. And we're right around 200 degrees on the outside, 225 inside, 305 already. You see the muffins in there. They take 18 minutes at 315. So, see how long this takes. Well, I just added the graphics here. I've got low, which is as low as the oven will ever go, with it wide open, medium, medium high, and high. And those muffins have been in there about 12 minutes. Let's take a quick look. Oh yeah. And it looks like I'm about 240 degrees, 210 on the muffins, 219. Yeah, they're cooking. Let me get my toothpick here. We'll give them a check. They shouldn't be done yet. Oh, they look like they are done. I'm loving that. I gotta go find me a oven mitt. So those muffins are done. They just need to cool down and icing put on. Loving that.